Alright, let's see what happens. It's halfway up the trailer tires. I'm creating waves. I'm sorry, neighbors. If you're wondering how bad it is tonight, Ave Underpass is fully flooded. I think it's taller than a car. I don't see any cars in here last night, though. Hopefully people are learning. Yeah, I'm gonna go check Sycamore. So, I got McDonald's, and it is bad. This was a drainage ditch, or a detention cell. Now it's just a lake. It's a full-blown detention cell. At least 6 feet down. And now it's just a lake. I haven't even seen the roundabout yet.